The information on this video is still as relevant today as when it was actually recorded a few years ago. Hi everyone, it's Al again. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up tiles that have got the grout really bad and black in them, like this bathroom here for instance. As you can see, the grout and especially the mastic in that round the bath is really mank and horrible. So today I'm going to show you how to clean that all out using bleach, and we're going to renew the mastic at the same time, and show you how to bring these old tiles that are in a bit of a state, the mastic lines there, you can see how bad they are, and we're going to show you how to bring them back up to scratch.
Okay, what you do, you're going to get your bleach and try and get the nozzle so that it can run down here along these grout, you know, where the tiles are. It doesn't always work, but sometimes if you can get it, if not, get your toilet brush and scoop it over so you're actually going along the grout. So you're just going to do that all the way around the bathroom. That's going nicely, and then you leave it for a few hours. Come back later. So I'm going to carry on and do the whole of the bathroom now, but do keep your window open. Obviously no little children around, but keep it well ventilated because it really does go on your chest. Okay, I'm going to carry on then. Okay, I left it for a few hours and you can see the difference already. Obviously around the edge of places I'm going to use a toothbrush with the bleach. Just be warned, I just do a little bit and then come away and get some fresh air and then come back in again, and you may need to wear goggles and a mask because the fumes are really bad, but because I can't see through goggles and my glasses, the glasses are going to protect my eyes from the bleach, but just be very careful because it can splash. And now what I'm going to do now is go around those tiny little corners where you can't get the toilet brush, which is what I use to do the rest, and then we have a nice clean bathroom. So in a minute it's over to Al to sort out this mastic down here, which is pretty grim.
Hi everyone, carry on with Project Bathroom. Now the tiles are coming together, they're going to need washing shortly to really finish them off and clean them up. But the next job is a horrible mastic down here that someone bodged completely. I mean, it's a right complete and utter mess, and the only way honestly is a knife to cut this stuff out. So we've got to cut this lot down now and start getting it out. So the only way, get your knife in there, a nice Stanley, and put cuts right through it, and then start easing it out. Okay, so I'm going to get on that, don't bother to show you that, and we'll get it out and then get some new mastic on there. Well, there we are, the tiles are now refreshed and looking a bit more like new again. Once again, done a good job on those, I think, and that's the way to bring them back to the former glory. And I've decided to put some seals around the bath edge there, as you can see, because it was a bit bad, there was a bit too much gap, so I've masticed it and put seals, which I think makes a better job. So there we are, that's it, how to clean your tiles and bring them back to their former glory.